A booking channel manager keeps your hotel's availability and rates updated across all booking sites in real time, helping prevent overbookings and saving you time. It boosts efficiency, automates rate adjustments, and centralizes bookings, all to maximize revenue and streamline operations for a smoother, more profitable business. Managing hotel bookings across multiple platforms can be time-consuming and error-prone. A channel manager is essential for any property looking to streamline their booking process and maximize revenue. Here's why. A channel manager automatically updates your room availability and rates in real time across all platforms, whether it's OTAs like Booking.com and Expedia or your direct booking website. This means when a room is booked or cancelled, all your listings instantly reflect that change, significantly reducing the risk of overbookings and saving you hours in manual updates. Additionally, channel managers help you optimize pricing by adjusting rates based on demand, so you can stay competitive without constant monitoring. Plus, you get powerful reporting tools to analyze booking trends and revenue, helping you make smarter data-driven decisions. Hotel operations to the next level, a channel manager is the way to go. To stay updated on all our latest videos, make sure to subscribe so you're notified as soon as new content is available. For additional information or specific inquiries, feel free to reach out to us directly to services@stayforyou.com. We're here to help with all your hospitality property needs.